Hi, this is Dave Forster with Basecamp Trading. It is Wednesday, June 24th, and I want to take a look at the overall market here briefly and just give you something to keep an eye on, which is the 50-day simple moving average right here. And then we're also going to talk about a stock idea as well. So right now, we're potentially closing below the 50-day simple moving average. We'll see if there's any continued follow through, but more major support would come in right around 725 on the SPY. So when you have a big gap down like this, if you see stocks moving counter to the overall market, such as IBM, for example, which had some bullish news yesterday, then you might be intimidated with a certain stock like this based on the size of your account, etc. But what we can see with IBM, if I zoom in just a little bit more recently, so that same 50-day simple moving average here in blue is where IBM found support and then bounced, whereas the overall market might move down. So the gap up from yesterday overall is still holding. So at this point, with stocks like this, you might think, I can't afford to buy that stock, too expensive. What you can do instead is sell a bull put on it or buy a bull call. That's one way to take advantage of some potential move up. So at this point, you could do something like buying a bull call, meaning you would buy, say, like a 265 call and then sell a 275 call somewhere above this 200-day moving average. But here's an example of what you could do if you just expect it to stay up over the next, say, like few days. As you take a look at support around 250, if you were to sell that 250 put, say buy a 240 put, you could get a pretty good return, assuming this expires worthless, but you could just close it out too if it looks like it's going against you. But this would be a 12% return if it expired worthless in 8 days. And if you can make, so that's more than 1% a day. And if you can make 1% a day, there's 252 trading days about in a year. That's great percentage return per day. So there's an idea with IBM. If you wanted to just close this, you could close it for a loss in the trading room, which you can join if you head to bctnow.com/join. We can talk about different ways of adjusting if that were to go against you. And risk management's really the key. So definitely check this out. You can get 30 days worth of unlimited access to our Platinum Club trading rooms for just $7. All right, thanks for joining me. I'll catch you later.